You ever spend an hour generating AI video clips, burning through credits, and end up with 5 separate files that don't even match each other? That's the real problem with most AI video tools: fragmentation, wasted tokens, and zero consistency between scenes. Topview Agent V2 fixes that. It's powered by Seedance 2.0 and is built specifically for long-form AI video creation. Multi-scene, structured storytelling, video of any length, all inside one single workflow. Link in the description. Let's dive in. So this is Topview. And first thing you'll notice is how much is there. You've got templates and workflows for social content, film production, ad videos, explainer videos, e-commerce, corporate. Honestly, whatever type of content you're making, there is probably a starting point already built in. But today we're jumping straight to the main feature, Video Agent V2, and let's choose it right here. This is your AI video director. Of course, you don't need any experience to use this. If you can type a sentence, you can make a video. So let me show you. So I'm selecting Seedance 2.0 model here. You could also choose a fast mode for this purpose, but I think let's try with premium one. Let it be horizontal aspect ratio and resolution 1080p. As for the length, it might be a bit different, but I think 30 seconds will be enough for beginning. So I've got quite complicated prompt, and let me pass it right here. This one is very complicated and challenging. I think there is enormous amount of scenes. It will be a really nice way to test it out, the Seedance 2.0 model capabilities. So let's try to test it out. You could also, of course, add your references right here. But in this case, we don't need any reference. We're gonna use them a little bit later. And let's try to generate. Press this button here, and we are preparing. So currently, Topview Agent automatically preparing templates and generates a script specifically for your prompt. It differentiates all your prompt to the scenes, and we could combine them, edit them, depending on their tasks. Alright, we've got our plan, 30 seconds, and as you can see here, there is all needed details, all needed prompts for our scenes. I think this prompt is already nice, so let's generate a video. Press Generate Video. And currently our video is generating. Alright, as I said, after 10 minutes we've got our video, and let's have a look. Well, that was very, very impressive. The amount of details, the amount of different scenes is astonishing. And I even think that we don't have to change anything here. There is a little artifact here, with other people around, but it's not so noticeable and not so important for the video, because the main idea has been conveyed, so I think it's really nice. So, what we could do here? We could extend our video by adding, for example, another scene here. We have ability to repair our video, and the video has been processed, and now we could choose any scene here and, for example, change some of the details, some of the error in the video, like fix hand distortion, remove unwanted or incorrect text in the frame, and so on. I really like this feature, but I didn't test it out. As I said earlier, this video is already nice, so let's just extend it by adding another frame. Press right here and press Extend Clip 2. And let's specify our prompt. I already have one prompt here, and let's press Generate button. Or we could also generate storyboard here, but let's try to generate a video. I actually forgot to specify the length of the video, and there is a default one, 5 seconds, with resolution 720p. It's not that great, but okay. At least the generation time will be shorter. I think that was not bad. I think it was nice, but everything is according to the prompt idea. Probably there was a problem with the length, because 5 seconds wasn't enough, but it still was really nice. Especially I like the coherence of the characters. It was the same character. At the same time, we extended our audio clip. which also was really nice. Topview also has GPT Image 2 built right in, and this is the state-of-the-art image generation model. Characters, environments, mood, it doesn't matter, you could generate everything. So I really like this feature because it allows you to control all the details of your video before generating the video itself. So let's try to create our video based on storyboard. For this, first of all, let's add our reference. So let it be a cat and add our simple prompt. An ordinary cat routine as a developer and content creator. He is tired and exhausted to the end of the day. Aspect ratio. Let it be horizontal one. Now let's choose our model. It must be GPT Image 2 because it's so much better than the Nano Banana 2. So use only GPT Image. Number of key moments. There might be custom one up to 9, but let it be 9. And target total duration 15 seconds. And press Generate Storyboard. Alright, we've got our first storyboard and let's have a look. Well, I actually really like it, and there are a lot of details, and that looks quite cute. And what really surprised me, that there is a details about the frames. I haven't seen that before. So let's try to generate a video with this storyboard. Press Generate button right here, and we are in an AI video generator. So here is uploaded references, image 2 and image 1. We could specify all needed parameters right here. I think the duration in 15 seconds will be enough. And generation count, let it be also 1. And press Generate button. After 10 minutes, we've got our video and let's have a look. Well, I really like it. It's very consistent to the images, especially to the storyboard. At the same time, I really like the music here. There are a lot of sound effects, which sounds really pleasant to me. At the same time, there is a little oversharp here on some of the video fragments, especially if we're talking about this one. But it's still really nice for the first try without any cherry picking, and I really like it. Let's talk about pricing. There are several plans available: Pro, Business and Ultra. Well, based on current pricing, I consider the Ultra Annual plan to be the most cost-effective option. It provides a full year of access to the higher limits and includes unlimited image generations with the most advanced models, such as GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro. Well, in addition, the plan includes 1 month of unlimited access to Seedance 2.0, which is valuable bonus. And finally, it also allows you to run up to 12 generation tasks simultaneously, and I really like this feature. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.